Packages are very useful in R. You will find many of them for doing specific tasks, and they will help you in your day-to-day work. But first, we need to know how to install these packages. For that, you just need to be in RStudio and to understand the different pane of RStudio. So here you have the pane where you type your code. So if you have some code here, you will type it here. And when you execute this code, you have the output in the console at the bottom. On the right, you have the environment. This is where your objects are loaded. So if you have a new object here and you put something in it, like this car, you will have an object in this pane. And at the bottom right, you have a pane where you can find several tabs. In these tabs, you have not only the help, but also a tab packages. If you go on this tab and want to install a package, you just click on install. You see by default, RStudio will go to the CRAN, to the Comprehensive R Archive Network. This is where you find all the packages that have been developed by the R community. To install a package, you just need to know the name of the package you want to install. For example, the tidyverse will be used quite a lot during this training. So let's type tidy. You see, as I'm typing, RStudio is proposing me a list of packages already. So let's take the tidyverse. On my computer, it's already installed, but if you install it and you leave everything else untouched, you type on install, you may have a prompt telling you that you need to restart R. Why not? This may happen, this may not happen. Just let the system guide you. You see that also when I clicked on this install packages, something here, a command, the command install.packages with the name of the package into brackets here is written. It means clicking and doing install is exactly the same thing as typing this in your command mode or in your program. If I click it here, it's exactly the same. It will do exactly the same. Now, this package, tidyverse, is installed. It means it is on my computer, it is on my system, but it is not loaded. I cannot use it. I cannot directly use it. To use it in my program, I need to load it. To load it, here again, you can use this tab here and search where is tidyverse. So it's alphabetically sorted, which is quite convenient. You see, it's here. If I click on this little box here, it will load the library tidyverse, the package tidyverse. And once again, you see some elements here, and you see a command, library tidyverse. This is also equivalent of typing library tidyverse is equivalent of clicking this box. To be verifying that, let me uncheck and type library tidyverse here. So you see on the right, tidyverse is not checked. Now I will load the library again, and you see it is checked. So checking this or typing library tidyverse is exactly the same. Now that the library is installed, you can use whatever command is developed inside this package or library. So it is important to remember the two steps. First, you have to download the package. And for that, you use the button install. And second, you have to load the library to be able to use it in your current session. And for that, you just check this box here. Equivalently, you can type install package tidyverse. You do that once and for all. It will be installed on your computer, on your system. But every time you will need to load the library, you will have to specify that, oh, for this program, I need to load this library and type this. Well, that's quite easy. So let's see now in action how it works.